Hello, everyone. We're going to go over the top strategies that Option Circle's been building, and some of it's going to maybe surprise you. So let's start off with our top agent right now, or strategy that's working. It is the MACD AI 50 billion plus market cap daily bull signal. Many of you know what the MACD is. It's a signal that screens for momentum. It doesn't work well for everything, but when something is trending in the market and there's a theme behind it, it tends to work actually really well. Um, so let's just take a look at this agent here quickly. So as you can see, it's doing well today, up 3.5%. Total, since we've started running this, it's up 73%. And that's on a $30,000 recommended budget. So let's dig into this here quickly. You can see here the last 3 months. It's not up every day, and some days it's flat because there's no positions because it's not on the bull signal. But you can see over time it has been working really well. We have kind of went into a consolidation period here. But the market recently just has been kind of going through that consolidation as well. So you've seen that within the AI names. Let's pull up the workflow so you can see how to build this quickly. First, we have our start time here. We want to have that a little bit after 9:32 a.m. so we can have those bid-ask spreads come in on those options. And then quickly, what we did was we just curated a list here of the top AI names. So we're a little more indiscriminate here. We didn't do a lot of back testing on these names, but we know that they're trending a lot. Um, Sometimes we're going to just run a simple strategy and we're going to do a back test on it, like Tesla. We know that does really well on the MACD back test. So, you can make a simple bot just for that if you wanted. But we wanted to be a little bit more indiscriminate because it is a theme in the market right now. So we wanted to be able to catch all those signals. So we imported in a MACD plus volume, decision here. And as you can see, simple, crossed above signal line. We want to make sure volume's above 1 million shares per day on a 20-day average, and then it enters on the last candle. So we have confirmation. So MACD's crossed the next morning. This is going to enter. Simply put in here, we buy the 60 delta call here, so you're slightly in the money, but we have still enough leverage to capture convexity. And then we just wanted to make sure we're not in a contract that has no open interest, right? So we have 50 down there for open interest requirement. And then here we have the MACD close, and that's just going to cross below the signal line. And that would close immediately. But we also have other risk management parameters based around this because we do know that, hey, the MACD indicator does have its own faults and anything could happen in the market. And these are thematic hot names right now. So we're looking for a profit of 350%. So we actually upped this risk reward ratio to about 10 to 1 because you can get these outsized moves, right? So we want to be able to capture that trend if possible. And then we have a loss requirement here of minus 35%. We'll stop out of that position. And then we're going to force a close before the market or with the market order 5 days before expiration. And the reason why is we really don't want to be messing around in expiration week. At that point, your deltas are fully realized and you don't want to be just sitting in there. If you get a big pullback, you're going to lose a lot of that gain. So we want to be able to have about 5 days out. We'd rather see it enter a new position than hold on to that position necessarily into expiration and potentially lose all that gain. You could potentially make a lot more as well, but we think the deltas are usually fully realized at that time. There isn't a lot of convexity left in there. All the time premium is taken out. So that is it for the MACD AI 50 billion plus market cap daily bull. That's a mouthful there. So it's basically just a momentum strategy that we're trading on a thematic, names in the market that are currently hot. So, which is AI. Have a good day, everyone.